Hey guys, let's see how to replace the water filter on an LG refrigerator. Here I have the filter for 6 months. Here's my refrigerator. As you can see here, there's no indication yet, but when I open and close the door, I see here the indication that I need to replace the filter, okay? The first step is to close the water supply, and then I will continue from there. Okay guys, so here basically I'm closing the water supply. So just make sure you do that before you replace the filter. The next step is just to release the pressure here with the water. There we go. There's no water left here. So we are good to go. Okay, the next step is to locate the filter. Mine is here, close to the air filter. So when I open the refrigerator, I see here. So basically I need to open this part. So I just need to pull. There we go. And I see the filter. I just need to turn counterclockwise. That way. Until it releases. There we go. Now I just need to insert the new filter. I need to remove this cap that's here that comes with the filter. There we go. And just put here in place and turn clockwise now. There we go. And then you just close it back and you're good to go. Now back to the panel, you need to reset the water filter. So you just need to click here and hold. And there we go, it's reset now. So it's supposed to be working. And now you need to turn the water back, the water supply back, and eliminate the water here, a little bit of water here to make sure that everything is good. There we go, opening the water supply again. And the last step is just to release some water here. So just let the water run for a while and you're good to go, okay? Just to clean everything. There we go. So guys, that's the way you can replace the LG refrigerator filter, okay? I'll leave the link in the description so you can buy this filter. And please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.